Hey, welcome to Wild Bill's Garage. This is our cameras for the day, the Mavic Pro, the drone, the center prism, got that on the helmet, and the Ion Air Pro, which I have on on the handlebars, on the crash bars on the bike. Let's get her done.
Serve them up.
And there's all three of them right there. First ride of the year with studs in the really crappy stock tires on my DR650. Now the tracking, the drone is pretty cool when you're in a field, but when you're in an area with telephone poles, wires, light poles, buildings, this thing doesn't really stay right behind you when it tracks. You'll see. I actually stopped for a while because it just wasn't, I couldn't get it to listen. One thing I didn't account for was these wires. I got my height a little bit wrong, as you'll see. That one was very close. You see what's happening here? It stays a little to the left. It doesn't go right behind you. That's why I'm just kind of meandering along. I've got I can see I have the control on my chest. I can see I can see the viewfinder, and I'm thinking, whoa! That was a little close to that pole. I didn't. So when it's tracking behind you, the drone doesn't. It kind of goes where it wants, although it follows you along really quite nicely. It's just there's a little bit of unknown when it goes to the left or the right, how far left or right it's going to go. It kind of does the shortest route possible. So I know I'm slowing right down here because I know another bull's coming up. Check this out. This is too close for comfort. Yeah. I think I just missed that wire because the sensors on the drone picked it up. Here's where I stopped and really didn't do too much more droning because it's just too stressful to try and ride and keep an eye on everything.
So today so here's pretty good.
Now I've got the Ion Air Pro on the crash bars. We're going to go for a ride. No drone.
On motorcycle, but I don't know. Look at that. It has 4.2 kilometers on it. I put on 1.5 kilometers yesterday.
Change cameras here shortly.
Oh yeah! Great! Gotta be careful though. I don't have any. There's ice. Isn't it weird? You're looking for ice. How many motorcycles in the Yukon are riding on January the 18th? Yeah, baby. I think it's me. It's me. Me. I don't know what that means. I don't even know it yet. We've only got 2.7 kilometers together. We're very early in the relationship. Okay, now she's warmed up. It's got a choke.
Yeah, this is with the center prism now.
But pretty good traction. Look at that. Whoa, it actually's got decent traction. You know what happens? You get cocky and then shit goes wrong. So I gotta be cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slippery. So I gotta be careful. But overall, 2 thumbs up.
Okay guys, thanks for coming out. I don't know what we're going to be doing next because apparently we're going to get back into 30 below for another week. Yay, and that'll mean I'll be just mostly doing editing and staying inside. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.
This is just amazing. So I know it can be done, and I can improve it with better studs.